Hi, I'm Joe McDonald, and I'm going to show you how to speed clean every floor in your home with Click and Clean. Click and Clean is an interchangeable spray mop that's 4 cleaning tools in one. It cleans, scrubs, dusts, and shines every flooring surface in no time. Plus, Click and Clean comes with adapters to turn all of our top-rated Rejuvenate floor cleaners into click-in cartridges. And the best part is, each cleaner is specially designed to give you professional results every time. Click and Clean for streak-free hardwood and laminate, polished to perfection, marble, granite, and stone. Click and Clean for spotless luxury vinyl. Click on the grout brush and our Rejuvenate grout cleaner to make your grout look new again. Add the extra wide dust pad to quickly eliminate dust bunnies and pet hair from everywhere. And a super scrub pad gets rid of sticky messes with ease. Unlike disgusting disposable pads, Click and Clean comes with 2 microfiber pads that are machine washable, saving you money. And because it's 70% larger than other mops, it means you can clean up to 70% faster. Click and Clean is available at the Home Depot and RejuvenateProducts.com.